Intake and vacuum leaks are the most common and important leaks technicians can find. These leaks create difficult drivability issues that decrease performance and reduce fuel economy in vehicles. First, decide where you want to introduce vapor into the intake system. There are many options, including intake ducting, vacuum lines, even the oil dipstick tube. The best choice is to go into the intake ducting by disconnecting the air cleaner box from the intake duct. Insert one of the provided cone adapters into the duct towards the engine to seal the intake system. Introduce smoke and begin testing. Alternatively, introduce vapor through a vacuum line, but make sure you seal off the air intake so that the smoke doesn't escape through the open intake path. This can be accomplished with the included cap plugs or a latex glove. As you pressurize the system, use the provided halogen inspection light to find leaks. Please note, most intake systems are not 100% sealed. Minor leaks may be within manufacturer's specifications.